everyone using AI. But the problem is when you upload your AI generated content on Facebook or on Instagram, you will get a tag with your content. That is AI content. So here you can see there is a tag AI content in my image. Why this tag is here? Because when you generate an image using your AI image generator, it automatically adds some of the metadata behind your source file. You can't see that source file, but when you upload the content on Facebook or on Instagram, it automatically detects that metadata. As a result, they give a tag as AI content. Here you will see the tag is here. How we can remove it? I'll show you step by step how to remove AI label on Facebook, how to remove AI label on Instagram, or how to remove AI metadata or tags from your images. So let's get started. First, download your image. Let's say I want to remove this AI content tag from this image, and first I need to download the image. And after downloading your image, so this is the website I want to use to remove this tag. I will give the link in the description and pin comment. I can just click here to upload the image, and I'm uploading the image here, and just I need to download this download cleaned image. So my image has been downloaded, and now I can click here and click the edit post button and remove my previous image and upload the new version of the image without the tag. So once upload has been completed, now just click here in the next button and click the next and see the magic. So see, there is no AI content tag here. So this is the very easiest way to remove your metadata from your AI generated image tag or label. Now, what you need to do after downloading every AI generated image, you just need to clean its metadata. Let's say I have created an image using ChatGPT. First, I need to download the image, and the image has been downloaded, and now I need to clean the metadata from this image. So I can reload it and I can upload my image. So this image is with AI tagged. Now download your image, and now this image is completely without AI labeled or metadata or tags. You can now use it to any of your social media without AI tagged or AI labeled. So in this video, I have shown you how to remove AI label on your Facebook, or how to remove AI label on your Instagram, or how to remove AI metadata and tags from your images. This is very simple. I will give the link in the description and pin comment so that you can use it directly. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.